In this video, I'm going to show you how you can extract text from an image. You don't need any paid tool or AI application. Using this tool, you can easily extract all the text. So let's see how we can do this thing. So this is one of the tool which is called image to text converter, and it is available from finmato.com. Once you are there, if you click the search box, start typing image and you will see this type of tool is there, image to text. This is the easiest way to find the tool. Once you click here, you will be in this page. Now to extract the text, we just need to drop it over here. You can click here to upload, or you can drag the image over here. Right now it is supported any type of image. It can be JPEG, PNG, WebP, GIF, BMP and any other thing. Even if you have PDF file, you can take a screenshot and you can upload it over here to extract the text. For example, here is some sample text. I'm going to take a screenshot on my computer. So this is a screenshot and here it is saving. So here is the screenshot which I saved. So here is the screenshot and here we have some text. Now I'm going to extract this text from this picture. So this is a PNG format. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drag and drop it over here. And very shortly we'll see this type of thing. There is a small button, remove. If you by mistake upload some other wrong image, then you can clean here by pressing this button and you can re-upload it. And there is a big button, extract text. We just need to click here and very shortly it will start processing the image and it will give us the text. And here it is the exact text whichever we have in the image. And here we see these are the text from that image. And that's it. In this way we can easily extract any text from an image by uploading the file, and you don't need to pay any single penny.